Hello guys, it's me Rapi Sam Steel, and today's vlog guys, we will answer one of the comments to our videos titled Sony ZV-1 and DJI RS3 Mini. So there's one question there from Antonio Novarahadi 9029. So shout out to you, sir. So again, he asked about did the gimbal compatible with the Sony ZV-1. So guys, we don't have the Sony ZV-1. We have here the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So we will try to connect the Sony ZV-1 via Bluetooth to the DJI RS3 Mini. So again guys, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado, let's start now guys. I have the DJI RS3 Mini. I already balanced the Sony ZV-1. Let's open first the Sony ZV-1. So, because extend the lens. Yan. And open the stabilizer. I did already a pre-balance on this. 15% battery, but still we can. Yon. So, first, when you go down, disconnect. Okay. Okay, I'll show you here. Yeah, it's recording. So, first, you go to the menu of the camera, Sony ZV-1. Go to this network. After go to the network, Bluetooth function, just turn on. Bluetooth remote control also, make sure that it's already on. Next is pairing. So, open the pairing. Now you see the device. Go here to the DJI. When you go to DJI, swipe down. You can see the camera icon. Just click the camera icon. Just confirm. See, you have three Sony cameras already showing here. A7S, A7 IV, and Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So, click the ZV-1 Mark II. Okay. So, it's pairing. It's confirmed. And yeah, I think it's already paired. So now, let's try to record. And it's recording. Yes, guys, it's recording. And not only just recording, push button record. You can also, I believe you can zoom. Yes, you can use this cursor or this one. Yeah, sliding cursor to zoom. See? I'll make it zoom 50, 49, 35 until because this is 1850. Zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in. Yeah, not only just recording button, but you can also use the zoom in and zoom out of the camera. See? I'm gonna zoom here and zoom out and zoom in. So, yeah guys, that is for the quick tutorial regarding the compatibility of the Sony ZV-1 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. So again, sir, shout out to you. Now this is I test already and fully compatible the Sony ZV-1 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's quick review and answer tutorial regarding the DJI RS3 Mini connected to the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So ayan guys, if you want to check the price and availability of both device, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II and the DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Again, shout out to you sir. Thank you and mabuhay.